there is going to be an exciting destinations that you're going to explore and take a right. No mercy. And I'm going to show you how Kudremukh looks, and there are a lot. And see, I wanted to show this temple to everyone, so that's the reason. Bhai, bari poor na. They have done something, guys. Like there is a thing. So welcome back to another video, and this is your Arshit welcomes you back for Wow Vlogs. And today we are back with another video, guys. Actually today I thought of exploring some ancient place. It's kind of an ancient horse foot which I'm actually going to show you guys, and I don't know what else I'll get on the way, but definitely there will be something exciting for sure, guys, today, and I'll make sure that the clarity also would work fine. And yeah, I'm on the way to pick up Puneet basically, guys. I'm just going, and it's kind of like cloudy, kind of a rainy day. Don't know whether it rains. If it rains, it will be amazing, guys. However, so I'm just heading, guys, and I will just show where exactly I'm going. Okay, yeah. Take a right. No Mercedes. Have to change the gear. And there you go. I'm so sorry, guys, I forgot to tell you that last time I had to end the vlog because of all rain and things, but I'll make sure that at least today I'll try to complete, because it's open until 2 o'clock, but I'm not going to roam much anyway. Definitely, guys, once lockdown is completely out, definitely I'll tell you, definitely there is going to be an exciting destinations that you're going to explore. Until then, it will give me an inspiration to get some new contents and explore places. So definitely your subscription will not give me anything, but I want you to, like, eventually or virtually take you guys along with me wherever I go, guys. That's the only aim. So please click your subscribe button, guys. That's it. You will get a notification if you click on the bell button. So definitely whenever I post any videos, you will be able to see that. We're just going ahead, and let's see what best we can explore on the way, guys. And to be very frank, we're just exploring that horse step, as it told. It's called as Kudremukh, which is in between Virajpet and Konikopa, guys. Let me take you there, and let me directly go there and show you how does it look, right? Let's add it. Now we have reached Kudremukh, and we are near to the Kudremukh, and I'm going to show you how Kudremukh looks. And there are a lot of other houses also around, but I'm not supposed to remove the mask. And this is the Kudremukh board, guys. I think you guys can see. I'll show you in a reverse angle, because if I hold it like this, nobody would be able to see it. So this is Kudremukh board, guys. I hope everyone can see this. Now don't have Kudremukh, okay? And this is how we walk to Kudremukh. I'm just showing how Kudremukh looks now. This is one of the ancient place, guys. See, the holes which are here are the footprints, kind of. I'll show you. A lot of people come here, guys. See, this is actually the footprint of the horse. This is from the ancient time, guys. I don't know the exact story. People say that the horse jumped from very far place from the mountain and it has landed on this place, and that's how these footprints have come. It's exactly, to be frank, I'm not supposed to climb on that, or else I would have shown you better. In the far view you can see, guys, it's in the shape of horse leg only. So these are all the footprints, guys, and it is in between the nature, guys. So this is something amazing, right? What I'm thinking is, guys, let me just start from here and let me go a little bit ahead and see what best I can show you. People are looking at me, but I don't care because I'm doing everything for my subscribers as a virtual tour, guys. So I don't mind. People looks, you can see if one vehicle goes, that person does see and go. See, he is seeing, this person is also seeing, and this person also is seeing, guys. See, this is amazing. If anybody is holding the camera, people will start seeing, guys. So this is all about Kudremut, guys. Kudremut is already there. I'm looking at the board. So let me start from Kudremut, and this is a horse footprint, as I told you, from the ancient times, guys. So let me start from here. Let me see where exactly we are ready. Okay, bye bye. Guys, we have stopped in one of the road, and we're just thinking like whether to go this side or this side. I think we'll go this side only. I think you can say I wanted to show this temple to everyone, so that's the reason today I've come here. And yeah, I will show you how this temple actually looks. It's amazing, but we are not supposed to go now, but still let me take you as a virtual tour here. I think you can see this is Bhadrakali temple in Virajpet, which is towards Gonikoppa and Virajpet road, guys. Let's go. So I actually, guys, I don't go to temples much. I used to go, even I do go. I do believe in God sometimes, like positive and negative. And this is how the temple is. It's amazing. We are in a beautiful location. I hope everyone can see me well. So let me show you a bit around, guys. See, guys, amazing. Woo! I have never seen such a huge bark trees, to be frank. Oh, it's unimaginable. This tree, you have to see. Oh my God. Oh. How much you will see me, right? So you should also enjoy the nature. Oh, this is the temple, guys. We have already reached the temple. You can also see. So this is the way. You don't need to walk much. It's just around 200 meters, hardly. We have reached the temple, and I think we are not supposed to go there. So let me not. Bhai, bari poor na. They have done something, guys. Like there is a thing which has been done. Let's go from here. I don't think we'll have to go there. It's not safe. Always, God is there. Still. So guys, we are going back actually. We don't want to disturb the God because it's a Bhadrakali temple. So I hope guys you are enjoying the places and the bits that I'm showing during the lockdown. And yeah, please do not go roam outside. If you're going anywhere for any particular reason, wear mask, be sanitized. That's how you'll be safe. And I hope if you are liking the places and the videos, because there will be a lot coming, you cannot just justify in the beginning, right? Yeah, so let me try to show you some better things, and definitely you guys will like. So please click that subscribe button below and like and share. Even follow in Facebook, Instagram as well. I'll put all the links in the description where you can follow if you like it. So I think, yeah, we have reached the road and our car is here, and I think we'll start from here. And there is a facility of drinking water as well. Shuddha Kudiyuva Neeru, pure drinking water. You have a glass here, you can take this, and if anyone wants to drink water traveling this road, you can even just, I'll turn on the water. You can guys also can see water also beautiful. Shouldn't waste the water, so I won't waste much of the water. Yeah, that's coming from mountain, as Puneet is saying. So if anybody wants to ask, please call Puneet. Puneet is available and Puneet can give you answer for all these questions. Okay guys, let's start. Yeah guys, I'm on the way home now. We have to just stop to buy some little bit of groceries for home, because again it will be closed from 2 o'clock. See guys, I'm sweating like something. It's too sunny here. I think it's gonna rain by end of the day. So I think that's the reason. So however, I'll be reaching home guys, and I hope you guys will like a bit of my videos. If you like it, as I told, subscribe, share, comment. Tell me what you guys want to see or what is the improvement that I have to do. Definitely will take it further and do it. So this is how it is guys, and I think you guys liked it. So let me end the vlog. However, I'll be reaching home in another 10 minutes, and hopefully I'll try to upload the video today. So let's see. Hope the best, and I'll reach home guys. And please do not forget to subscribe Wow Vlogs. This is your Arshit Exits. Thank you. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.